H&R Block, the global leader in tax filing, has engineered a completely new way of getting your returns filed accurately by an expert from the comfort of your home or office. This is made possible via our expert-assisted e-filing solution. The expert-assisted e-filing process is supported by more than 300 in-house experts who are tasked with the responsibility of preparing and filing your returns online once you have registered and uploaded your document.
At H&R Block, the way client mapping is done is every new client is matched with the perfect advisor to help him out in his unique situation. An individual tax advisor handles every case of every client. So he knows in and out of every client problems, every doubts, every query, and offers a lot of personalized touch so that every client feels the most satisfied.
It's a perfect blend of professionalism and personalization. It's easy, simple to do. It doesn't take time, and at the same time you have someone who assists you, who helps you through every step, and I think that's an awesome combination.
H&R Block is very protective about the client's data. As a result, it is not outsourced to any third party. Instead, we, tax advisors, are hired for preparing the IT returns. At the same time, we are given very restrictive access to the data, and it has been completely monitored so that the data is not leaked out through any means. The data is also under a few layers of encryption, which is not at all breakable.
Anyone, any individual can bang on them when it comes to taxes or when it comes to data, being stored in their database. So everything is protected. The service is spontaneous, is fast, and then they are there whenever you need them. So that's more than important, and that's more than required these days.
Since H&R Block is very client-centric, it is also running a competition named as Block Premier League, where we as advisors are rated on the basis of certain criteria and top performers are rewarded. This is not only beneficial for us, but also our clients are rewarded with best client experience.
The H&R Block team has helped quite well, keeping a follow-up or giving us the customer service kind of a satisfaction after submitting the document where all it is being sent for processing was very commendable.
We at H&R Block are obsessed about client satisfaction, and this is the sole force that drives our performance. Our mentors also drill it in us, and they not only train us with the basic knowledge of taxes, but also tell us how to deal with the clients, how to answer their queries, how to help them every step of tax return preparation. This not only helps the client, but also helps us. And it is the reason why we have been constantly receiving a client satisfaction score of 9 on 10, and we want to improve it.
After all, it's not a service we are providing, it's an experience. H&R Block, your tax expert.